we press the top right-hand button, it'll show us the front camera view. We can see here that we have a good view, a little bit of the windshield, a little bit of the hood, and we can see everything out in front of us. If we press the button one more time, we can see the rear camera. You can see here that we have a good view of what's going on behind us. If we press the button again, we get picture-in-picture with the front as the larger screen. Press the button again, we get picture-in-picture as the rear with the larger screen. And one more time takes us back to the default screen. Now, we're not going to be able to test all of our features of this AI dash cam today, but we want to make sure that the core features like lane departure warning is working properly. Now you can see on the screen that the camera AI system is picking up that there is a vehicle in front of us. It identifies the target and monitors it so that if we get too close, we can get a warning.
Watch out for the car ahead.
As we drive along the road, the system will track all of the vehicles around us. As you can see on the screen, it's identified the vehicle to our rear in red, meaning that it is too close and it's a collision potential. As a vehicle passes us on our right, the right LED lights up green to indicate that the vehicle is in our blind spot zone. You can see it on the screen that the vehicle in front of us is also tracked in red, giving us a warning that there's a potential collision.
Watch out for the car ahead.
When a vehicle passes us on the left LED indicator will light up orange, indicating that there's a vehicle in the left blind spot. When we reach speed, if we cross the lane,
Lane departure.
it gives us a warning that we've departed the lane. If we're traveling under the speed, if we depart the lane, the warning is ignored.
If you're looking to accessorize your vehicle, come to movinongps.com and we'll get the accessories your vehicle needs.